Right, I'm currently copying over from floppy the installer for 7-zip version 9.20. Oh, no. Well, perhaps we can run it directly off the disk. Oh, good. Well, that was quick, probably because the data was cached. Oh, that's odd. I wonder why I couldn't copy it. Anyhow, I'm going to open it up and select all file types associated with all the file types it can handle. Right, I've now prepared a disk containing the chipset drivers in a zip file, so I'm going to copy them to the desktop. Oh no. Oh, please work. Please work. Don't fail me, floppy drive. This is a very long 10 seconds. Oh, come on, I jiggle it a bit. That's just superstitious, but now it's copied over. So now we can extract it with 7-zip and run the installer. I'm just going to accept all the defaults. And it wants to restart the machine, which I will let it. And of course I shall have to take the disk out of the drive. Right, upon rebooting, we have encountered a slight problem. It can't find this file via mac.cat. It can't find it because it's looking for it in the wrong place. It does exist. Not sure I remember exactly where it is, but we'll see if we can point it to where it is. 9x. Is it there? No, it isn't. Is it here? Is it here? I mean, I don't. Is it here? Yes. Yes. So, if you run into this problem, I don't know why I was looking in the Windows Me directory, but the file via mac.cat, the one you want, if it complains about not being able to find it where the where the Windows installation files are, which is completely the wrong place. It's under the chipset drivers. Of course, this only applies if you're using the same drivers as I am, but it's under INF 98SE. Okay. Right. Yeah, I'm going to untick the floppy drive because I haven't got a disk in it and I didn't want it to. Oh good, it found it. Lovely. Lovely. Yes. No, the device is not accessible because there isn't a disk in it. I'm going to put one in. Containing USB mass storage driver. And the rest of the drivers are going to be copied over by USB thumb drive. You just run that up. It was, I think, about 900 kilobytes, so that's quite a bit to read in from a floppy. Right, here we go. Yes. And then it does that and it wants to restart. So I shall remove the disk and say yes to that. Right, I now have the rest of the drivers, except the network driver, which I shall install at a later date, copied over to a USB thumb drive, and it wants to read from the floppy drive again. The reason it does that is because when you shut down the computer, Explorer saves the session, and it wants to open back up the windows that you had previously, the Explorer windows. And we had a window open looking at the disk. Of course, I took the disk out of the drive because otherwise the computer would have tried to boot from it. So, anyhow, I'm going to plug in my thumb drive, and Windows is going to do its thing, and there it is. Here we go. I'm just going to copy over. This is the sound driver and the video driver I've got here. Right, I'll do the video driver first. Extract it. Run the setup. And it wants to restart. So I'll see you when it's come back up. Right, here we go. The system's coming back up in a rather high resolution, which I think might be a bit small on the video. So maybe 800 by 600 would be more readable. Yes, I think so. And we've got 16-bit color. And the icons are showing in high color now. So now I'm going to install the sound driver. I do hope the autofocus isn't messing things up too much. I do hope it's the screen is readable at 800 by 600. Anyhow, here we go. Right. Okay. Just going to put a shortcut to its vinyl deck program on the desktop, which I will dispose of as soon as it lets me. let Windows do its driver finding thing. And success, and it will restart, and we should get the startup sound. So I'll cut to there. Well, actually, this is somewhat unscheduled, but unplanned rather, but it's refusing to shut down. So I press Control Delete, and it says L driver is not responding. Well, now my mouse pointer is not responding, so I'm going to press the machine's reset button. Hopefully that was just a one-off. And here we go, the machine is coming back up again. And it wants to run scan disk because I shut it off uncleanly. There we go. No, didn't we get the startup sound? Ooh. I get the volume ping. Let's take a look at the sound settings. Multimedia. Audio. No, I don't think it's under there. Sounds. Right. Start Windows. There is a sound assigned to it. Well, there we go. It'll probably play in future. Just didn't seem to play on the first reboot after installing the driver. Anyhow, this is the base system set up the way I like it, and in my opinion, the sanest way to do it.